What up, y'all? It's your boy Dre. We're about to check out Unis. Curious. Now I have checked out Unis on Twitch, live on Twitch. I don't think I was able to upload it. I don't even know. Sometimes I be reacting on Twitch, and if it's more of like if you're there type of deal. So people think like, oh, why come we didn't react to this? No, I just did it on Twitch. So whoever watched it on Twitch or on my Discord, shout out to you for being there. But anyways, Unis, I know they have like 2.5 Filipino members. And I be on my Filipino itch right now. I did a collab with Beanie, the nation's Filipino girl group. Freaking amazing. On my Instagram and I did upload to YouTube Shorts and my TikTok. So go check it out. I got monopode. Bro, Sheena is just savage. And her comedic timing is always on point. Love her. But yo, I don't think I could choose a bias from Beanie. Anyways, enough of that. Go check out the content I already put out. It's been amazing. One of them reached almost like 2 million. Thank you so much. But Unis has 2.5 Filipino members. That's why I was talking about Philippines. I was looking up like the K-pop profiles per usual. Come on. There's a Hapa, like half Korean, half Filipina, is Hyunju, which is dope. Also Gaily, right? Gaily. I feel like I knew Gaily the most. Is that how you say her name? I feel like I knew Gaily the most just from TikTok, because her stuff like just pops up on my feed. Gamina, Danka. Okay. Oh my God, they're so young. Elisa. Oh, that is a Filipino last name. Paramisano. She's the main vocalist. Filipina as well. I never got to know all of the Unis members. Like there's, of course, Hyunju. There's Nana, who is like the main dancer, sub vocalist, center. Ooh, okay. She's Japanese. All right. We got Gaily, of course. We got Gotoko. That's such a nice name. I like the way it just comes out the tongue, like Gotoko. She is a sub rapper. She's also from Japan. We also have Yunha, who is Korean, full Korean, I think. Oh my gosh, she got Pisces. Alicia. Please correct me in the comments how to pronounce that name, because I do want to say it correctly. She's Filipina as well. And then we got Yuna, who is the main rapper from Korea. Okay. Who else? Suwon is the maknae. Oh my God, 2011. Oh my God, I'm just getting old, bro. I heard good things about Unis, so let's check them out without further ado. I know there's a long intro. And before I start, be sure to check out the Patreon. Yo, be sure to follow and subscribe to my Patreon. We got first listens. We also got reactions to lives that I can't post on YouTube. And if a reaction gets blocked, it's uploaded here too. And we got anime reactions as well. We react to variety shows. Please recommend me a K-drama that you want me to react to. So be sure to follow the Patreon and see you guys there. Let's get started. Unis. It's called Curious. That was a long intro. I do apologize, but we're here now. Without further ado, she's ironing toast? Boring. Bro, toast sounds bomb right now, actually. Oh, who the hell is that? Oh. Oh, who are these kids? Oh, they're in the app. Okay, yes, ma'am, already serving. But they're in the app. Is that what happens when we like? Interesting concept. Oh my God, not the gnome. Ooh. Oh my God, Nana's art? Whoa, did she really make that? No way. If she did, impressive. Her eye makeup, oh my God. Do or die. Y'all too young to be saying that. Dang, they do that to the, who is that supposed to be? The teacher? Oh, and they're escaping. Guitar. Ooh. Hey. Ooh. Hey, hey, hey. Ooh, oh wait, isn't that like a movie production? I forgot what it was. What's it called? Ooh. Oh, the night. He took the night. Ooh. Did he say Nana Forever? Sorry. 2024 Nana Forever, the one with the little hearts. That is the fire edit. Hey. Oh wow. I want to be the one. Not them. They're literally promoting their Instagram account now. Ooh, what a pause. Say that again. The constant guitar in the background.
Hello, mother.
Ooh. Moon, moon, moon. Ooh, what is that? Did she just prank that hand? Whoever that hand was? I mean, it's kind of obvious. Run and go! Woo!
Wanna flick this?
I wonder if they ever performed this live. With like a live band. Whoa! The tumble, night mode.
Hello.
Bro, some of these edits are kind of crazy. I forget that they're in the app itself, so they change it up. Okay, Matrix move. Next, I'll look at it afterwards. We'll go through a second look. Oh, the face cards. Are they making a homemade rocket to take off? To escape? Oh. Selected items. Okay, the build up.
And I will show the real to you ever after.
Oh, smack a rock. What an interesting production. Everything's like so creative. Like from the build. Again, my bad. Pausing.
To you ever after.
Smack a rocket. So all the stuff that they created, especially the rocket, gets launched with a bunch of glitter, of course. Ooh, that constant guitar makes it even so much more badass. Ooh. Okay, where does this go? Oh, a direct message. Of course, because the concept is that they're in the phone, in the app. Okay, Unis. All right, let's check out it for a second time, like just to see if I missed anything. Boring. So they're basically bored. They're just living on this app, or inside the app. She's mowing the lawn. Okay, so like this teacher or whoever this is, the strict person, is giving her a dessert. What? Wait, what was she holding? I guess it's a bunch of other desserts. Yeah, it seems like it. Yeah, she grabbed it and did not want it. Damn, this guy's eyebrows though. Sorry, they're nice eyebrows. I like them. Sends the heart down in a ball of fire to get them to escape. Ooh, that guitar though. Oh my god. Ooh. Oh, do they see them? I know I wanna. Oh, it literally says in the subtitles too. They don't want to be limited, basically. Like they can, like, once they get out, they can express whatever they can. Because look at that, they're so creative. Woo. Yeah, like why not? Damn. Constricting that person, whoever that is. I guess it's just like someone that just keeps them in their box, you know what I'm saying? Like, but it's time to get outside the box finally. The Unis show. Woo! That guitar buildup is always crazy. Woo. It's definitely one of my favorite edits right here. The Nana edit. Do what you want to do. Oh, she's destroying like the sandcastle. I was the one. And that's like the Unis official. It's like, is it like the TikTok where you add? Or like for a story? I'm not sure. Well, it's basically just social media. It's the app. Okay, convenience store time. Fashion show. Next chapter to be the one. Okay. That's what the shirt says. This is cute. It's like teasing. Oh, the customizing. So basically, the world is theirs now. Like they could like discover everything. Not discover things, like create anything they want, do whatever they want. Oh no. Oh, that's right. Not night mode. This is a crazy music video too. The editing and all this. Whoever did the whole production and editing of this, fire. Woo! Hey. Why don't you only know? You know, I was like trying to read it while trying to watch like the visuals too. I didn't know what they were trying to say. Why don't you only know? So they want more too. They want to reach the stars too. They have no limit basically. That star looks like a Minecraft star, no? Oh no, that's the opening of the screen of someone looking down. That's right.
And I will show the real to you ever after.
Let's go. Hey. Oh, that little furry hat's fire. Meaning I want to wear it too. Next chapter. Wait, say that. Let me read it again. Next chapter, I want to be the one. New classic. I think that's clever. Wow. I'm guessing that's an iPhone. Yeah, this has to be an iPhone. This is definitely an iPhone. Oh, someone took it. All right, y'all. Put the comments down below. All right, y'all. Put in the comments down below what you guys think of Unis's Curious MV. Interesting. From the build up, from the guitar from the beginning got my attention. The guitar of all things. I really do. I think I pay attention more to the beat first before I to the lyrics. That's why for a second listen, I try to do my best to decipher it. I'm like, let's try. I'm not like the smartest one out of the bunch, but like I do my best. But yeah, they just wanted to, once they break out free, they could just be what they want to do. They do what they want to do, create what they want to do. They have no limit. They want to reach for the stars, basically go past the screen, and sending a message to that phone, that user. Sending a message to that phone or whoever that user is, whoever grabbed it. I'm guessing it's referring to us. Like that connection from fan to artist. But yeah, please do let me know your interpretation of this music video or song. Who is your bias from Unis? And like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Again, check out the music video, go stream their stuff. Be sure to check out the podcast, Ultimate Bias K-Popcast, link in the description. My Patreon, follow my Instagram, my TikTok, just run them every day. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, y'all, peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
While Dre's having a moment, be sure to check out my Patreon. We watch shows. Currently, we're watching Going 17. So be sure to subscribe, become a member. Hope to see you there. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.